Hi guys, welcome to Zaiy MdZ Official สวัสดีค่ะ วันนี้นะคะ Zaiy ก็จะมาแนะนำวิธีการแต่งหน้าสมัคร Air Emirates ที่ Zaiy ได้ไปสมัครมาเมื่อเดือนกุมภาพันธ์ปี 2020 นี้ค่ะ First of all, I'm not the person who like to shopping that much. So in the video, you can see that I use just normal cosmetic, and I think the most important that is how to use and how it's fit with your skin. As you can see, I mix with two products of Miss Teen from Thailand. It's very good. The first of all, you should to put primer. But yeah, in the video, I totally forgot. The primer will help you blur the skin, and also the cosmetic will stay on your skin all day. Yeah, forgot, sorry. When you use the foundation, it depends on what you like. You like to put with the finger, you like to put with the brush or sponge, and it depends what you like and your technique. I prefer to use my fingers. And all of these products I use is for real in the assignment day. So yeah, you can see with all of step and all the product I use. And don't forget your neck. And the next one is from U-Star. I really like to use the highlight. You can see it's have two color. I prefer to mix it. Use this a lot from university until now. You know, I'm the person who kind of, if I can find the product that I like, and I will use that again and again and again. The contour, actually you can use from that U-Star product, but I got this for free and I really like it. It's really quick. So yeah, it's good. Girl, Butte is one of the best and it's really cheap, guys. Oh my gosh. And you know, about my cosmetic products, normally I prefer to put it in the box even I use it already, because after the palette still look new and beautiful. I think I bought Butte like 29 baht or 39 baht, I'm not sure, just like this, like very cheap, but it's great. This eyebrow pen I bought from eBay. Damn, it's very cheap, 29 baht I think, and can use for a long time, and it's very convenient. About eyeshadow, as you can see, I have naked palette, but I'm not use it. I use W7 color me buff something, yeah. And because it's not heavy like naked, and if it's break, I will not feel sad about it. And it's used really good. This is Tanago Pro Contour Palette. I thought I bought it around like 79, 89 or 99 baht, like less than 100 baht for sure. And I can use this a lot because it's not expensive and yes, color is beautiful too. And with the same brush. And as you can see, the brush is big, but how I use with the small space. Brush on time. This one is not expensive, but it's matched with my skin color. It's broke long time ago, but I fixed it already. And I have the video that how to fix the cosmetic. I think it's gonna be useful for someone who wants to fix it. Bronzer. This one from Kiko Milano. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. My boyfriend bought for me because I'm a tan girl and the bronzer is something that I need to make like the look is complete and feel like the sun kissed, feel like tan and hot and beautiful, something like that, you know. It's a feeling. With this palette, it's really beautiful as well. So yeah, love it. Guys, Emirates, of course you have to put red lip. And with this red lip from Sephora, make my look complete.